Oh, hi puppy. Hey guys, Jack Admin here. Welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to be working on the Ranger. I'm looking to do some upper control arms, outer tie rods, and then lower ball joints. But wanted to make this video for a while, but I got in an accident with my car, so I'll put that right about here. Yeah, that sucks. Pretty hurt about that one. Emotionally, physically, everyone was fine, which was cool. The shop did a really good job. I got my car back within like a month of the accident, which was pretty unheard of. So that was pretty sweet. So I've been driving the Ranger for a while now. The clunks have been getting louder and louder, so it's time to do it. So without further ado, let's get into it. All right, so we're gonna try to.
I don't know how to respond to that.
Excuse me? That's right, Siri. You don't know how to respond to that because you shouldn't be listening to me. That's right. All right. I bought the tie rod separator. Don't fuck the fit. So. Yeah, how's that? Yeah, I know. Crescent wrench, blah, blah, blah. It's fine. Oh, that was supposed to happen. Right. Good thing it was a 2-pack. Oh, yeah. Don't even know why I'm thinking that's a good idea. Yeah, Jack, make a YouTube video where you fix cars. You fix your own truck. People will love it. Oh, come on. Yeah! Yeah! Yeah. You pop that hoss off. We know we're 8 threads from the top still. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 22, 23. All right, let's get some of this on there. I already got it on my fingers. Okay, a little dab of the old, yeah. Okay, probably should wash my hands, sanitize my body from never sees. All right. 1. 1, 2, 3, 21, 22, 23. Okay, so then if we look in the back here, we all double check. We got 8 threads back here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, shoot, that's pretty good. That might be my best outer tie rod end yet. Okay. I'm going to clean that up. I'm going to clean that up a little bit, even though it's kind of satisfying how it looks. Kind of want to eat it. All right, let me clean this up. Okay, I got it in, but I can't get the thread through, so I got to jack this up a little bit. Covered in the never sees. I also found a headlamp, so that's pretty lit. That's helping me out. So let's get you all set here. Okay, so this one looks a little smaller. I'm going to call it not that one. I'm going to call it, yeah, definitely that one. So for torque values on this, so the torque values on this are that. Yeah, bro, to be honest with you, that's good. That shit ain't gonna go anywhere. Don't be afraid. Okay, guys, there's the first tie rod end. I'm gonna go do the other side really quick so then we can move on to the control arms. And then the lower ball joint. That one doesn't look that bad, but if it's anything like this tie rod end, it's friggin' shot. So, man, this is gonna drive so nice when we're done. This is great, honestly. This is awesome. So, yeah, let's do that. All right, look at that. Got the other one done. All right, let's go do these control arms next, huh? Okay, we're back. I got myself a new ratchet. I didn't really need this, but it was on sale, so I bought it. The old Icon jobber. Never actually had an Icon tool, so I'm kind of excited. There is like crap on it. I tried to wipe it away because I thought it was rust. It stinks. It's on my thumb now. Anyways, I started working on this. Let's get this thing popped off, huh? Okay, so I have that marked. That's cool. Let's get this open like that. All right, old versus new. I'm gonna clean up that junk down there, and then we're gonna get it in. Look at this. This is the nut for that. For that bolt right there that holds in the ball joint. This side's pretty circular. This side. Look how oblong that is. I just opened the... Come on. I'm covered in never sees because I noticed it afterwards. Looks like it just got crushed. Thanks, Moog. Thanks for giving me quality parts. Yeah, there's the old one. It's like egg-shaped. Maybe I'm tripping, but I can't get a ratchet on it. I guess I can use that. It's close, but it's supposed to be like that? No way. All right, guys, I think that's it. I'm going to go to the other side real quick, and then we're going to go to the lower ball joints. Okay, so I went to go take out the upper control arm, and the lower fell out too. So, yeah, now I just got shit hanging. Got to figure out how to fix that. Going to tie some of this stuff up, get that puppy out, and then we're going to get this lower ball joint out. I was going to show you guys, but I already did it. Which is great because I broke the tuning fork on the other one. I'm going to try something a little risky. I'm going to pop this clip off. I'm going to leave this just hanging. I got the control arm out. And I primed that really fast. So while that's drying, we're going to get this lower ball joint done. And then we're going to pop that in and then finish this truck tonight. So making really good progress. I'm really happy. Nice. Ooh, love when that goes easy like that. I have to try to do this very softly so I don't drop. It's going. Oh. Hey, this one's pretty good. Actually, the other one was awful. It's still pretty shot, but... Okay, now I'm just going to do the exact opposite. Okay, that's bottomed. I just use needle nose, and if they're small enough, you can get into those holes and should be able to throw this guy right on. Oh, this worked on the other side. Everything was great when I didn't have the camera on. Now where did that just go? There we go. I saw another video of this guy doing this, so I'm going to do it because it makes sense. There we go. If you can twist it, and that just kind of ensures that you're seated. There it goes, see? Sweet. Okay guys, I'm going to put all this back together and then show you the finished product. Wow, holy cow, okay, I didn't realize the headlamp was this dead. Alright, so got that back. Yeah, we were using the Thunderbolt edges. The Thunderbolt edges do not last. Shout out to Harbor Freight, but the Thunderbolt edges are not where it's at. So, I'll be right back. There it is. Let's see if we can get a... See the new stuff. There it is in all of its glory, everybody. Got an alignment. It's been driving great. Issue is I just popped the brake line. If we go back here. Oh. See that big old wet spot? The brake line back here busted on me. So that's got to get fixed. That'll be the next video. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. See you, bye. Come on.